Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Discord on your MacBook. So first, open any browser like Safari or Google Chrome, but in this video, I'll be using Safari. Search Discord download and click the official website. Make sure that it's the real Discord site so you won't download the wrong file. Now, once you're on the site, click the download for Mac button. It will automatically start downloading a DMG file. Once it's done downloading, depending on what browser you use, click on the download icon on the top right corner of your browser. Then click on the Discord DMG file. It will open a window like this. All you need to do is just drag the Discord icon to your applications folder. Once you're done doing that, open Finder and go to your applications folder. Scroll down and click on Discord. If a warning like this pops up, just press open. Then your Discord will start loading, and it will lead you to the login page. All you need to do is just log in into your account, and you can already use Discord. And that's how you download Discord on your MacBook. Super quick and easy. If this tutorial helped you, give us a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.